Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the world, and peace and blessing be upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Respected presidents of today's annual Jalsa, distinguished chief guest, honorable special guest, respected dear audience, I want to deliver my speech, and Allah is the creator. An engineer knows how to build a house, but if he decides to do so, he would need iron, wood, cement, etc. An engineer can build a house, but he cannot make iron, he cannot make wood, nor can he make a house without all these things. Allah can create anything out of nothing. He is all powerful. There is a secret book which tells us about Allah. It is the most important book in the world. This book is the Holy Quran. Why Muslims value it the most? Reciting the Holy Quran is a way to know Allah and what He wants us to do. Reciting the Holy Book make us wise. Reciting the Holy Book is a way of praying. Here are some of the wonderful things the Quran tells us about Allah. It is Allah who created everything. Allah has raised the seven heavens. Allah has set up the moon is the light. Allah has set up the sun is a radiant lamp. It is Allah who sent down water one earth from the sky. It is Allah who made the earth a resting place for us. It is Allah who made the hills and says, He made the water we drink. Allah made the day and night. It is Allah who created us and all those who lived before us. He created us so that we might remain mindful of Him. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.